Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can read by the title, today I will be doing Karina Garcia slime art. I don't know. So I opened everything up out of it, but not this yet. I cannot get this. Oh. I put the hole in it. There's 3 bags of this liquid stuff. Oh, Gavin will not be doing this today. If he wants to join, that'd be fine. Be loud because he didn't want to do it and I'm trying to make him do it. Okay. Then we have, this is pink super slime. We have green super slime. And can you guess what the other one is? I'll give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It was blue super slime. What the heck? I got everything on that bag. What is this? This is clear super slime. Slime activator. Oh, so they're different. And this one is slime activator. 2 slime activators, 1. So we have 4 slimes right here. Gavin, are you sure you're not doing it? 'Cause I'm starting. You could do blue. No, I have to do it right now. He's not doing it without me. Okay, let's go. Oh, and we have some foam beads. I know you cannot read it. I'm sorry. I feel like you pop them. We have some gold glitter. Sorry, I have a mosquito bite. And we have some gems. I think that's all that we have. Yeah, so I'm going to separate them. Bless you myself. Okay. Poor cream. Here are my super slimes. It didn't come with any extraction. Oh, I get it. So do we make all of them? I'm gonna be making pink. I'm gonna go get the scissors. Anybody see you? If you're watching this right now, try this. Because if this doesn't, oh my god, if this doesn't work, I'm going to be so mad. You got it on me. I can't wipe that on my shirt. Sorry. Okay, now I feel like we activate and mix it. I'm sorry, Dan. Turn into some. Daisy, it's me. She barks out no reason. I don't get it though. Like, why is it not fixed? It doesn't smell like anything. I thought there was gonna be like scent. Cause she, when in her video, she like, ooh, strawberry banana. I don't know if she even said that. I know she has scent, but this slime did turn out. I'm happy about that. I just wish it would be more stretchier. I'm kneading it with my hands so it gets a little better. I have a lot more activated than this because it has like I might actually try the clear. I want to see how that looks. Clear with pink. Do you think that? Blue. Green with pink. Watermelon. We can make a watermelon. Watermelon. Daisy! Daisy! Shut up! That thing is, I am not simple. I'm not going to use the whole bag. Not much. I feel like that would be enough. Here's a poke. Hold on. That's it for a minute. This is water right now. Here's a poke. I wonder if we're going to do the swirl. That's your answer. Because you even try to do it, it's just going to break apart. I love slime. Not just Korean Garcia. Not as much as Korean Garcia. I feel like it has like a whole freaking bunch. Just over 1 million. Over 1,000, maybe. Okay, let's get this in the other bowl. Oh! It's dripping. What do I do? Anybody help? Okay. Put activator on it. Stop dripping. Make it stop dripping. Make it stop dripping. I'm not using this, guys. Sorry. I'm thinking I'm going with a watermelon. And I'm sticking with a wine. I didn't use that much because we don't need that much. This one actually turned out a lot better than I thought it would. I think it works pretty well. Except the part at first, yeah. I'm sorry, I'm trying so softly because I'm supposed to go. Okay. I could make clover too and put like gold glitter on it. Do you think that would be good? It's a dove. Oh yes, I'm gonna. So here, my pool's dirty. Oh no. It's right. Do you guys see it? You guys won't be able to see it. There's a dove. Here, I'm gonna play real quick. Okay, I'm not telling you what I prayed for, but I will tell you, Happy New Year! I posted this in January. No, it's June 29th, 2019. So, I have an idea. The watermelon's my idea. Like I told you 1,000 times. But there might actually be a problem because look at how big this part is. So I'm gonna have to like it's like on this part I can't even fit it. Oh, it's so big. Okay. That looks like a torch. Hampton Bridge is falling down. Sorry. No, I'm gonna take. You're supposed to mix them, so I'm not worried about it. After I save some green, I probably will save some pink just for like shaving. I wish it had extension. Choose a bag, super slime color. Be sure to shake all the bags while used. Use bag slide activator. Cut the corner. Place in plastic cup. Measure out 2 tablespoons of the activator and add to that slime. 2 tablespoons. I was working on it. Use your stirring utensil to mix liquids into gooey slime. Once you mix the slime, you can add glue or so. Okay. Where am I gonna do the clover? Right here. Okay, so this is gonna be the stem. Grab the bridges, so shut your mouth, baby, stand and deliver. Shut your mouth, baby, stand and deliver. Ooh, thank you for signal. Like a river. This is not going well. So shut your mouth. See how it's like melting into like I'm not doing it over. Okay, I feel like I'm just gonna use it all today. And then cups because I have a lot of things left over. As you can tell. Now I have some green left over. Okay. Right there would be fun. I'm actually going to do one more. Actually, no, I'm going to do all of them. So it's 2 tablespoons I'm going to listen to right now. One tablespoon is this. I'm cute. What am I doing? Okay. Sorry guys if you cannot see this because the watermelon's right here. I'm gonna have to wait 24 hours before this like dries. I'm trying to move it down so it looks like okay. That's everywhere. What the frick? So that's gonna be good. No, I just put the clear. Oh my god, I'm stupid. I just put the super clear slime, clear super slime, in the blue. I am so stupid. I hate myself. I'm not even joking right now. I freaking hate myself. Okay, now. God. Who the frick does that? Me. I'm measuring it. Here's the blue. Here's the blue. Here's the blue. It should be clear. Cause I put clear. A tablespoon of clear in it. I freaking hate myself. I know I already said that, but I'm not lying. Whoever guesses how many Whoever guesses how many okay, you have to like and subscribe to me if you want a shout out. Okay. Arthur Morgan, I don't know if she still watches my videos. She did when I got hacked. I'm still hacked from it, but I don't know what's gonna happen about that one. But alright, I'm going forget about that. I'm going right in to the foam balls because that's what I want the blue to have. Okay. The frick? Clear slime just I mean, yeah. Okay, guys. get this over with. Here's the clear. I already used half of it, but that's it. Oh, sorry guys. I just realized that I'm back on camera. Here is the blue slime. I put the foam beads in. I really like it. So yeah. This one might actually have to stay. No. Okay, good. Yeah, tables. Listen. I might actually make the rest of the green because I don't know why I saved it. So here is, I did the clear, as you can see, and here it is. I've heard you have to wait overnight to have this clear, so that's what I'm gonna do. I don't know what's happening to my voice. There we go. Okay. There it is. I'm going to do the rest of the green because I have enough. And I'm going to add some of my stuff to it because I haven't used all of my stuff. And I feel like let's just make sure of everything. And I'm actually going to add one bead to pink. Yes, pink. Blue. Green. Green's gonna have one more thing in it. and a little special. But it's gonna have the glitter in it. It's over here, but yeah. I'm gonna go get the container for it. I just ruined the watermelon. But I just ruined the watermelon. No, I really want it. Oh, I can make something else. I'm gonna go with the containers. It's like that's just right. We go. Totally forgot about that song. Oh my god. I have a crack in this one, but and the blue is overflowing, so I'm gonna have to get rid of some. Put it in here maybe. Oh, it's making purple. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. Bye.